Welcome back to another drawing session with Callum. We're drawing a dog today. You know what you need. You need a pencil, paper, black texta, and you're ready to go. Okay, so this one we start off by doing it's a bit like an oval, almost like a football with kind of squared off ends. It kind of looks a bit like this. Almost like a rectangle. Almost like a rectangle. Kind of round at the top. There we go. And then we draw a line that goes up from here and around. It looks almost a bit like an acorn. If people know what acorns are. Wrap that out, wrap those lines out. And then we add the nose to our dog. The nose kind of just goes down like this. A little puffy ball thing here. Yep. Alright, next we add the ears. The ears kind of droop down the sides. Kind of like that. Long ears. Just like that. Very nice. And now we're doing the mouth. The mouth starts at the nose, goes all the way down, and curls around there like that. There we go. A little dog's mouth there. Then we add the eyes. One eye here. Another eye here. Eyebrows. Just like that. Very nice. Now we're going to add the legs. Now legs start down here. Going to go down a bit like that. And widen out at the bottom. Just like that. And then back up. Then the other leg, just over here, comes down. A little bit funny. Kind of shape to it. A bit messy, but we'll neaten that up. There we go. Now we're going to do the body of the dog. Now the body of the dog is a bit like a teardrop, almost. Kind of goes out and then curves back in. Goes under there. And back out. There we go. Make that a bit nicer there. Rub these lines out. There we are. Now we'll do the back feet. There like that. Another one coming out the other side. There we go. A flapping tail. On the other side. Alright, there we go. Now, the only thing left to do is make it nice and dark with those textures. And there we have our dog. So you can colour it in however you'd like. It can just be a black and white dog. It could be a golden dog. It could be a brown dog. Who knows? It's up to you. Enjoy.